Hello my loves! Today I'm filming something I never filmed before. I used to fill up so many sketchbooks, but ever since I got my iPad I only sketch with Procreate, and I loved having full sketchbooks and going back to see what I did and see my progression. But yeah, anyways, long story short, I want to get back into sketching more often in my sketchbook. So here I am filming a sketch with me video. I'm very rusty when it comes to drawing traditionally, so bear with me please. I already decorated my sketchbook a little bit and I put these super cute camping stickers. I just thought they were really cute, so yeah. And today I'm using this mechanical pencil by Faber Castell. So let's get into it. As you can see, all the pages are empty. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you the markers I chose to draw with in this sketchbook. I want everything to have like a similar color palette, so I chose my favorite warm, earthy, toned colors. So these are just some Copic markers, and there's also one touch tone marker. And now let's fill up the very first page. I just decided to be boring and just write my name and the month, and yeah, that's basically it. I also drew a little pencil to make it a little bit more interesting. But yeah, in general this was just kind of like a little warm-up before I get into the very first page of my sketchbook. As you probably know, my favorite thing to draw are faces and people, and since this was the first page, I really just wanted to stay inside my comfort zone. But I have to say that drawing with a pencil is so much more harder for me than using my iPad. It just feels very different, and yeah, I'm just more afraid to make mistakes, and I always want to double tap the paper. I used reference pictures for these drawings, and as always I just went to Pinterest and drew whatever I was seeing. I don't really know what more to say, so I think I will just leave you guys like watching the rest of this video. But if you like this video, I would definitely film more sketch with me videos, and maybe I could also talk about specific topics or even answer your questions maybe. What do you think? So if you have any ideas or if you like the video, then please leave your comment or idea or whatever in the comments down below. And now you can enjoy watching me sketch and I hope you like it.
you.